What is the distance?
300 meters.
300 meters. And the height?
Height 45 feet.
45 feet. And the weight that it can carry, the zip line?
90.
90 kgs. What's up YouTube, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to do a small vlog, and in that vlog I'll be doing some go-karting. Also I will be talking about the Akaso, the mic clarity in fact, and how is it, and the image stabilization of the Akaso. So let's start with the vlog. Declaration form. You're responsible on the form. This is a place called Pitstop, and we are doing go-karting, and there are two options that you can check. One is the single go-kart and the other one is doubles. Helmet, huh? Come here, Olive. Here I'm at a place called Pitstop. Yes, it's a small go-karting place which has this go-karting lap. The entry to this place for go-karting for double seater is around 600, and for a single seater is around 400 for 7 laps. And apart from that, there are something else, other activities which are, so there's a ropeway which goes like this, so you can do some sliding. And there's a kids play area which is called as Sim and Sam, so that also is good. There's a coffee shop which is slightly elevated, and a walkway bridge for kids, so even that is there. So all the activities have some safety equipment built into it, like a harness, so from that point of view it's safe. But the best attraction would be this go-karting runway. The road is pretty good, so the best thing to do is go slow, enjoy the 4 laps with a very normal speed, try to get a feel of the vehicle, and then after the 4th lap you can zip it to do some cornering. So that's about this place. So now it's time for some rope sliding. ఫస్ట్ మీరు ఒక టెస్ట్ వెళ్ళాలా? మార్నింగ్ So what's up YouTube? So I am at this place called Pitstop, and this is the zip line. Doctor would be telling me what is the distance?
300 meters.
300 meters. And the height?
Height 45 feet.
45 feet. And the weight that it can carry, the zip line?
90.
90 kgs. Okay. How much time it will take to go there?
10 minutes.
10 minutes. Okay. Any instructions? Safety instructions?
Safety, full safety.
Full safety. So this is the harness that he's going to put. Okay.